Today we're making 3 high protein meals, what I eat in a day. Now, the cool thing about all these meals is that they are all viral recipes that have been on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So we're doing the viral protein pancakes, the viral carrot tacos, the viral cucumber roll-ups. So these are the amazing recipes we're gonna do today. We're gonna jump into it. They give almost 150 grams of protein for the whole day and under 1,600 calories. I don't know about you, but for me personally, I have been on a little bit of a weight loss journey. So I think I've lost like 10 pounds now. And the thing about it is, low carb seems to be working for me. And I also need some tasty food, okay? Like, let's just be real here, okay? It was tasty food that got me into trouble. So I need the tasty food to get me out of trouble and keep me out of trouble. Because if I just go with like, you know, hard-boiled eggs, some baked chicken, and some steamed broccoli, it's not gonna work, okay? It's not gonna last. I need flavor. So all 3 of these recipes have flavor, they're low calorie, they're high protein, and they are delicious. So let's jump into it. We are gonna start with breakfast, clearly. We're gonna start with these nice protein pancakes. I think you can use any protein powder that you want. I'm personally using this Nutritious Heavenly protein powder today. So I'm just gonna do 2 scoops of this. We're using a 1/3 cup of egg white. I got a little yolk in there, but you know, it ain't gonna kill nobody. Then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the magic of this recipe apparently is the tapioca powder. So I'm doing 1 tablespoon of tapioca. We're gonna give this a mix. I think next time I will do my dry ingredients and wet ingredients, mix them first and then do this. It's getting a little lumpy. It's actually working out. Just getting a little arm exercise in here, why not? Smoothed out just nice. Look at that. That is perfect. We'll take it. All right, so now we're gonna put this on the griddle. Just gonna use this Primal Kitchen avocado spray. What's nice about this recipe is it just makes exactly 2, which is what you need. You're not making a whole bunch. Here we go. This is a must-try breakfast. Now I have too many here, okay? I just did the stack. For the actual recipe, you just get 2 pancakes. But for purposes of the video, we did a big stack, okay? All right, on to lunch. All right, it's lunchtime, and we are gonna make some delicious chicken cucumber roll-ups. This is low carb, high protein. So it's about 50 grams of protein and only 500 calories for this particular lunch. I got some pre-cooked chicken here, some pre-cooked chicken breast. I am going to just dice this up. You can shred it as well, which no lie, I just tried a minute ago and didn't work out so well, and I decided I'm gonna retake this shot and cube it up. This recipe always calls for half a red onion chopped up, but to put some water in it apparently. Let it soak for 10 minutes to get the bite out while I cube up this chicken. We'll be right back with a word from our sponsor. Just kidding, we don't have any yet, but we are looking for some. I've got my chicken all nice and diced up. I'm gonna put in a whole avocado cubed. Fresh cilantro. Doesn't really give measurements on this one, so I'm just tossing some in, all right? I'm gonna do some high protein cottage cheese here. I love the good cottage cheese. It's not a promotional plug, but good if you wanted to, you know, pick me down some. I'd be down because we eat this all the time. A little bit of mayonnaise. Now there are some measurements for this, but I just don't want a whole lot, so I just put a little bit in there, okay? I want a lot of mayonnaise and a mayonnaise girl. I want some more cilantro. It's very cilantro. You better like some cilantro if you want this recipe. And a generous amount of lime. I only have 1 left, so that's gonna have to do. Eek. Good squeeze. Una mas. Give it a little blendy do. In with the onion. Let's just give this a good mix. This looks super fresh. I'll tell you something. This is gonna be a good little lunch right here. And I feel like this you could do anything with. You could put it in a little taco if you wanted to. You could put a little tortilla if you're having a few carbs. Just put it over some salad. Possibilities are endless. Now let's prepare our cucumbers and come right back. Got my tool here. I'm gonna shave this. I do also have some parchment paper here. So we are going to just make some slices, and then we just layer this onto the parchment, a little overlapped. A little time consuming, but I think it's gonna be worth it in the end. So that's how that looks. Nice and thin slices. Now we're gonna add a little cream cheese to this. I think you could probably go without it, but the recipe calls for it, so I'm gonna put it in. But honestly, it's just like a little extra fat and calories for me. All right, here we go. For our filling, oh, this smells so good. So now, I'm gonna roll this sucker up. Okay, this is not easy. All right, got me a roll here. Okay, I put this in the fridge for a minute because I feel like it needed to set before I cut into it. I may not have overlapped the cucumbers quite right. I'm gonna see how this comes out. Okay. Alrighty, look at that. Ta-da! I'm gonna taste this bit right here. Oh, well, that is heaven. I take it back about what I said about the cream cheese. Definitely needs the cream cheese, and it's gonna need a little hot sauce. Put a little crystal on it, you know what I'm saying? That is a business. I don't care what nobody says. It's diet food, but it does not taste like it, okay? It's so good. Okay, so for our dinner meal, we are going to make this delicious honey lime chicken. This is gonna go inside of our carrot taco. And we're just gonna throw some seasoning on this chicken. So I have some cube chicken here, and we are going to put some lime juice in there. Oh yeah, put a little honey in here. Doing my best to stay away from, definitely away from refined sugars at this point, but even this, because this can spike your glucose, you know? So just a little goes a long way. Now we're gonna season this stuff up. Onion powder, paprika. I don't really like a white chicken, okay? That's color on it. Garlic, black pepper, and of course some salt. My favorite. I'm just gonna give this a good mix. That looks real good. All right, so I'm gonna cook this up. Okay, so now we're gonna just make the sort of topping for the taco, okay? A little something here, all right? So I'm gonna mix some cucumber, chop up an avocado, and some lime juice. Put a little salt in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of cilantro, red onion for some bite. Oh yeah, that looks good right there. Okay. Give this a good little mix. Now the recipe also says you can put honey in here, but I'm trying to keep this low glycemic, okay? So I'm not gonna put any honey. For the carrot taco shells, we're just gonna start with some shredded carrot. You wanna do 4 shredded carrots. I shredded this in the food processor beforehand. Okay, so we're gonna do 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and then we're cracking in 2 eggs. And get a little seasoning in here because we need some flavor, right? So I'm coming in with some onion powder, a little garlic powder, salt, and freshly cracked pepper. I really like this pepper. This is not a plug. I just like this burlap and barrel. They use like kind of like small batch growers. So you know, like every single kernel in here came from one farm, which is really cool, but it just has like a nice robust flavor. So we're gonna stir this up, give it a good mix. All right, now the recipe says we're gonna kind of flatten these out and make some tacos shapes here, and then we're gonna bake these. I'm gonna take this other piece of parchment, put it on top, and just flatten them out. All right, so this is what they ended up looking like. I'm gonna throw these in a 375 oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So these are the finished taco shells. I have put them in the oven 375 for 25 minutes in my oven. It might be 20 in yours. And I let them cool so I can like easily sort of peel these off now, all right? So now we're gonna assemble our tacos. Get myself two. This is looking good. And we got our chicken. That is looking real nice. They're honey lime chicken. And our topping. Oh yeah, this looks really good. And you can even add some other things like some feta cheese. I forgot to get my feta cheese. I would have liked to have sprinkled it on. I think it would have been very pretty for the camera. Oh well. Look at those tacos. OMG. No, you want to dive into that. All right, the big taste test. Oh my God, it's so good. Must try, you guys, must try. This is so good. This is so good. My crew's in for a treat, okay? Okay, so this has been what I eat in a day, high protein, low carb, viral recipes. So we did 3 amazing recipes today, those beautiful, fluffy protein pancakes. Then we moved on to our delicious cucumber rolls with a little bit of hot sauce. Oh my God. And for dinner, the carrot tacos with the honey lime chicken. Everything was absolutely delicious. And, you know, I mean, for diet food, like I just didn't feel like I was on diet food today. Everything total, 1,560 calories, so under 1,600 calories for the entire day, almost 150 grams of protein, 148 to be exact for the entire day. I'm sure you could add a couple more bites of something to make it like a full 150, but I mean, pretty amazing. I will link all of the recipes below. And go ahead and give us a good old thumbs up and a like and a follow. Come on, this channel is new. We gotta grow it, and I can't grow it unless you follow me. So come on and give me a follow, and I will see you in the next video.